This painting didn't quite work out. Still, let's use it as a lesson in how to partially correct a mistake, even if the result is more of a compromise than a saved painting. At first, everything seemed to be going fine, but while working on the background, I struggled to capture that calm, smooth water surface. In the tight spaces between the water lilies, I lost control of the paint. Those awkward, narrow areas required intricate brushwork, and that's how the blotches formed. This is exactly what a watercolorist should try to avoid. When it happens, the best solution is usually a fresh sheet of paper and a new start. Despite that, I decided to try and rescue this piece. What you don't see on camera is me wetting the entire surface with clean water using a large flat brush. I let the water flow everywhere, even over the flowers, to loosen the top layer of pigment. I then blotted the excess water and paint with a paper towel and let it dry. This was the result. After that, I finished the painting. As we discussed in the first lesson, a great watercolor isn't typically the result of fixing errors. If you spot a mistake early on, it's better to start over. That's the fastest way to learn, and your future work will be all the better for it. The takeaway is simple. If you realize early on that something's gone wrong, don't regret the time you've spent. Start a new painting immediately and try not to repeat the same mistake. That's how you truly improve. Thank you for watching. What did you enjoy about this piece, or what would you change? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.